All right, Algebra 2, let's take a look at lesson 38, powers of sum, solving by factoring, and only 0 equals 0, okay? All right, so let's take a look at example 38.1, page 170, 38.1, page 170. All right, so we've got x plus 3 to the third power. That's basically saying x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3, all multiplied by each other. And they actually solve that out, x times x, x times 3, x times x, x times 3, x times x, x times 3, x times x, x times 3. They write it all the way out there, okay? And then they combine like terms. So then you have x squared plus 6x plus 9, okay? So they're going to combine like terms and then spread out the powers, just simple as that. But let's take a look at 38.2, it's a little bit more complicated. Negative x plus x squared equals 6. So my goal is to get everything to the left, not to get the unknown by itself. Get everything by the left, on the left. So I'm going to have negative x plus x squared minus 6. I subtracted 6 from both sides. Equals 0. Now I'm going to write it in descending order of power, okay? So I'm going to have x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0, or just that equals 0 kind of goes away. And when it's in this format, my brain should start clicking to understand what's happening. It's going to be parentheses times parentheses, x times x. I want a sum of negative 1 and a product of negative 6. Okay, so when I have that, I'm thinking 2 and 3, right? And I'm looking at the negative side to have been larger. So I have 2 and the 3, I need the 3 to be negative. So a positive 2 and a negative 3 would leave it negative, multiplied would leave it negative over here. So I know it's going to be x is negative 1 and x is positive 2 and x is negative 3, okay? And then they want you to check for that. You don't have to check, but that's how you'd solve it, okay? And it's basically that way all the way throughout, okay? So try practice A and B, check your answers in the back. And if you have a problem, reach out because I want to talk to you, I want to help you. That's lesson 38.